We put the chickens in
My
the...
husband passed away now.
Oh, you're 80, huh?
Away.
Oh, live long.
One more like this.
How did you...
Pick up the hen. Odli palan kaniya? Odli pale. See, he picked up one. We're gonna buy. Hello everyone, good morning Canada. Welcome back again with another video. Today we are going to the chicken farm. We're going to buy fresh chicken from the farm. So one of our friend gave us this farm number, and let's see that what kind of chicken and what is the price there they're going to sell the chicken. We heard like there is other also meat there, but firstly mainly we're going to buy chicken. Today is like, it's October mid-month past, but still like today weather is so good. It's like plus 19 today and sunny, bright sun. So let's go together. Come on.
Those are ducks, not
Duck.
roosters. It's a kitty. Baby.
You want to see up today? Kitty, kitty, kitty.
How many you need? One?
Two.
No, three can.
Three.
Three
Okay,
is
three.
Okay, go pick up.
So,
Can I come in there too?
okay, go. He's picking up the hen. Yeah. Odli palan kanige.
Okay, go.
Okay, can we?
Go.
They don't run away, right?
Oh, yeah, open the
Okay.
door, yeah.
Come, Ade, you stay there. We're going to pick up the hen. Odli palan kaniya? Odli pale. See, he picked up one. We're going to buy 3 or 4. So they're running away. My husband is struggling to pick the chicken, so he have to catch it. Second one. Okay, the third one. Try. Come on. Miss kelindwe. Oh, ti amble. Ale ti. Ah, ti tisli. Ale ti mode. Ala yang ai li pale. Ala nga. Okay. Dovi, okay. Anga. Third chicken.
Next time we coming.
Yeah. Okay. Because freezer, we have to empty the freezer. Next time maybe we buy 5, 6.
Oh, yeah, they come back.
Yeah, because we put the chickens in
My
the...
husband passed away now.
Oh, you're 80, huh?
Away.
Oh, live long.
That's the problem. My house.
We put the chicken in the
Okay,
box.
1 minute.
Then now we're gonna take it
Like this.
home and then
1 minute.
we're gonna clean the chicken, butcher it.
One more like this.
Mama,
Okay, cut. Cut and eat.
how did the chickens really die?
They don't die unless you. Maybe if they don't feel good. My son have a question why the chicken die, because when they're sick,
Oh, you can.
Yeah.
so we have to secure the box so they don't fly away in the car. There is this cute kitty cat here, two of them, eh?
I cook the chicken. But
And give it to them, eh?
Yeah.
Just two kitty cat? Two of them?
No, I got 7 or 8.
Oh, seven kitty cat they have.
Door, I don't want to give her nobody.
It's cute.
Yesterday, one he was dog.
So this farm have a good amount of chicken if somebody want to buy. It's called Alati Farm. And if you're living close by GTA, please do visit this farm and try to buy chicken, organic chickens, so you can give some business to the, the lady. She's 80-year-old, but the chicken here is like good price, $15 each, cheap price. But what I liked about here is like even though she's 80-year-old, but she's working hard. As you see, she's big house here. She have all farm is, I think she have sheep. I think one lamb $350 she said. I think it's a good price. If you are buying from the store, I think lamb meat is very expensive. So but 350 whole lamb is a good price. So now we're gonna buy it next time, because first time we are coming here. So now we are finishing up with the, okay, come here, let's buy egg. So we're gonna go and buy egg now. See, these are the brown eggs.
That's the dog.
Card. We're gonna buy दोन झालं, दोन कणी.
One day.
15 नका, एक प्रो.
What's in it?
दोन कणी.
Two.
We buy two.
Keep it on the table there.
Okay.
Can you put in the
Thank you.
mortgage to be bring home?
Okay.
Oh, no, we
No, it's okay. Don't worry.
Pee. And I know. This
Okay.
Pee, I come outside. I only ring
It's okay.
Side. Side.
Yeah.
don't disturb, like maybe that time you're sleeping or.
No, I don't sleep.
Okay,
Even
let's
I sleep you for the
wake
phone.
up, yeah.
I have the phone.
Yeah.
Adrian, this is Adrian. Oh, Adrian give huggy. Say thank you for the chicken. Okay, come on, slowly. So we're done now buying a chicken. Now we're gonna go. Here is our chicken and here is our egg. So if you like this farm video buying a chicken, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, so your friends whoever lives in GTA can buy the chicken